Let's continue practice set 14. Question number 1. In the table below, write the place value of each of the digits in the number 378.025. Now students, you know the place values of our general place values. Here the number is given in decimal point. So it is also easy. So see, table is given to you. Place, first column is place. Then you know our places unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. And then after the decimal point, here decimal point will be there. After the decimal point, we write the place values as 10th, 100th, 1000th. Okay. Left to the decimal point, we write the place values as usual. That means unit, 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Right to the decimal point, the place values start from 10th. Here no place of unit. It just start from the 10th. So tens, here we write tens. This is the 10th. Then 100. Then here 100th. Then 1000th. Okay. So unit place we write simply that whatever digit will be there as it is. Then tens we write tens means whatever digit will be there, on that we put one zero. For example 10, and 100 place value, on that number particular digit 2 zeros we give. That means suppose 100. Then when we write the place value or of that 10th place, we write in the form of numerator and denominator. That means that particular digit and the denominator will be 10 because the place value is 10th. So remember 10th, that is the denominator will be 10. 100th means 1 upon 100. 1000th means 1 upon 1000. So see here, when we go to the right side of the decimal point, place values we write in this way: 10th 1 upon 10, 100th that is 1 upon 100, 1000th means 1 upon 1000. Now when any number will be given to you, for example here they have given 378.025. So I arrange that number. 378 means place value of 8 we start from the unit, isn't it? 873 means 378. What will be the place value of 3? It will come under 100. Then 7 will come under tens and 8 will come under unit. And then decimal point is there. After that 0 to 5. 0 to 5. So 0 will come under the 10th place. See this 0, though it has no value, but here that place it will get place. Which place he will get? It will get 10th. 2 will come under the 100 and 5 will come under the thousands. Okay. So this way you have to arrange. Then place value. Now place value of 100 they have given already in the table, that is 300. 3 place value of 3 is 300 because it is its value is place is 100. Now what will be the place value of 7? As 7 comes under the tens place, so 7 place value will be 70. What will be the place value of 7? 70, because place 7 is place value is 7 place is tens and 8 place is unit, so place value will be 8 only as it is. Then 10th 0 1. Now here 0 digit is given, so it will come and in the numerator place 0. 0 upon 10. So if you divide by 0 to any number, answer is 0 itself. Okay, so 0, whenever 0 will be there at any place, here or here after decimal point, or it may be before decimal point, the place value of 0 will be always 0. So you can write it in the form 0 upon 10, but at last answer will be the 0. Now 2, what is the place digit here? 2, and then what will be the place value of 2? Now here how to write that? 2 upon 100. So 2 upon 100 means how to write that? First example in kilogram and gram we have converted kilogram to gram. So same way on 1, how many digits, how many zeros are there? 2. So you have to move back to the 2 digit. Means here this one, only one digit is present at the numerator now. So second digit is not there. So what we have to do? You have to put the 0 there. That means here it will come. Here I will write 0.02. Means see, when we write this form, numerator and denominator form in the decimal form, what we have to remember? You have to count the zeros on 1, and here 2 zeros are there. That many digits must be there after the decimal point. Means see, after decimal point 2 digits should be there. So but now here only one single digit is present in the numerator. So what I have to do? I have put here 0 before 2. Here not after the 2 but before 2 we have to put the zeros. How many digits we need? That many zeros we can put, and then decimal point, and before that we can put 0. So 0.02. 2 upon 100 means 0.02. And same way they have given for the 5. 5 upon 1000. 5 comes under the 1000 place. So 5 upon 1000 means 1, 2, 3. So here only single digit is present. So 2 more zeros I have given. Here you should give 2 more zeros. That means 0.005. See, on 1 3 zeros. So after decimal point 3 must become, 3 digits must become. So 0, 0, and then this 5 will come. Not 500. Again I am reminding you, you cannot write 0.500. That will be the wrong. You have to put this 0 before this 5. That means 0.00 and then 5. 3 digits, 3 zeros. So you have to remember, after decimal point 3 digits must be there. Here on 1 2 zeros. So after decimal point 2 digits must be there. Here 1 0, after decimal point 1 digit means 0.0 also you can write, or simply 0 here. And this you know, unit, tens and hundred. This is, we already learned this unit, place and place values and places names. But only here what is the new things for you is this after the decimal point, how to write the place values of each digit. Okay. So this example, this chart you have to draw in your notebook, and you have to copy these answers as it is. So I will take more examples for you. First you copy this example in